Okay, so we can see that whenever we close the message box, it opens itself again. Forever. Right, let's start by going to Finder, Applications, Utilities, and opening Script Editor. We make a new file called messagebox practice bug. So we're gonna learn how to make a message box that doesn't close. Before we get to that, we're gonna learn how to make a normal message box. So we're gonna start by typing that in our new file. I'll put it in the description for you. When we run it, we get a nice little message box. The only problem with it is that it closes itself when we click on one of the buttons, and that's not very fun, is it? So we're gonna trap the message box in an endless loop so that it opens itself whenever it's closed. One of the reasons AppleScript is so nice is because it's so straightforward. So the only thing we have to do to trap the message box in a loop is write repeat and end repeat on either end. When we run this, we get a message box that refuses to close. A tip for people who are actually going to run this program within Script Editor: when you're closing the box, click the Y square and the Enter button at the same time. If you do this over and over again, and eventually it's going to close. So now we're going to work on add-ons. We can make different text appear every time the box is closed. We just write the message box code all over again, and then change the text. When we run it, we get a box that alternates between the two texts. Another thing we can do is change the buttons. We first need to get rid of all the as criticals, then change don't continue and continue to whatever we please. If you want a certain text to appear only once, you can place it outside the loop. Be careful to put it before the loop, because otherwise you're never gonna see it because the loop is never ending. Okay, now that we have this file, we want people to click on it because that's the whole point of this. So we're gonna go to Files, click on Export, and change the file format to Application. We can change the file name to whatever we like, and save it. When you double click on it, you should be able to see the message box. For anyone who made the mistake of opening this in your own computer, enter Command, Option, Escape, find your file name, and click on Force Quit. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.